Hi, my name is Morris Parker, aka the Energizer Bunny. I am the hip hop instructor for Working Dance and Fitness in South Norwalk, Connecticut. So today I'm going to teach you the basics of the Moonwalk. All right, basically legendary, performed by the great Michael Jackson. And today you will learn how to do it. So I hope you're ready. Awesome, so let's go. So what you're gonna do first is you're just gonna bring your to the side or to which side you ever prefer. I prefer the right, since that's just me. Being a dancer is unique. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna be on the pivot foot. Now the pivot foot is the foot that you always start with, the foot that you always rely on going into a move and out of a move. Alrighty? So my pivot foot for this move is always the left. So as you can see, my pivot foot is on the ball of my foot. So you always want to stand on that, but not so much to put your weight on it, because you can't move anywhere if you put your entire weight on it. So I'm going to start to the right. My pivot foot is the left, and I'm just gonna slightly bring my right foot up. So as my pivot foot is up, I'm just going to slide back. All right, so here we go. You're gonna bring your right foot slightly up ahead of your left, pivot on your left, and then right, and then slide your right foot back. All right, one more time. Forward, you're gonna bring your pivot foot up, and then just simply slide it to the back. Cool? Now, for the people who wanna do it on the right, your pivot foot is the right foot going up. You're gonna bring your left leg slightly forward, right pivot foot up, and you're just gonna basically slide. Cool? Now, what you wanna do is you're gonna get a simple motion of it. So, if you're gonna start to the left, I'm gonna start to the right, of course. Right foot is slightly up, pivot foot is the left, you're gonna slide, boom. As you do that, it's just a switch, so 3. So, you're gonna keep your left foot up. Now you're gonna pivot the right this time. Left foot is slightly forward, and you're just gonna slide it back. So you're just gonna keep doing that, and you're just gonna bring it down as you pivot, bop. Cool? So let's try that one more time. I'm just gonna do a small portion. Remember, right foot slightly back, pivot left, boom, pivot, boom, pivot, boom, pivot, boom. Cool? So, what you wanna do now is you're just gonna go as far as you can. Remember, 4, left foot, right foot, all ahead. We're gonna pivot our left and then just slide back. Pivot and slide, pivot and slide, pivot and slide, pivot and slide. All right, now what you wanna do is just bring that into one motion. So we're just basic here, basic here, basic here, basic here. Now what you wanna do is put it into one motion, and then you have the moonwalk.
So thanks for watching the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I helped those dancers who just love to dance and need a push in the right direction. If you'd like to learn more, come check me out at Working Dance and Fitness in South Norwalk, Connecticut.